Here we have a defective 18 to 55 millimeter lens. And what is defective on this is the focus ring. One of the reasons why I know that the focus ring is defective on this is because you can rotate it and nothing happens. Everything is out of focus. And so in this video, I'm going to be taking it apart with some precision tools. And I have two cameras, one over there, one from your angle, and right now this is in focus on both of them, so I just have to keep it approximately here. So my channel is not very well known for this type of stuff. But I am trying to fix this. If I happen to just tear it apart, that's okay too. These screws are coming apart with moderate effort. They weren't glued in. Oh, wow. There we go. Seems like it is attached by something. I'm not going to pull any harder than I have to. Do have a 20-minute timer on this video, or a little bit less at this point, until I have to reach over and press record again on my secondary camera. That's a smaller one, so that's gonna go with there. Oh, that was just to do that. And I think, oh no. Once that came off, there is one more screw I could take apart. No, two more. At least. Three more. Three more screws. I think I need to get a thing for this. this is gonna be a little tricky. And more forever breaking. It's going to be a lot more forever breaking. Pretty sure that's gone forever now. The little bitty spring, I have no clue where it came from. I'm gonna pause the recording and I will be right back. I'm back and I have found more screws. There they are. And I think trying to see what is more important things to take apart. We have this screw right here, I think. Is that the bigger one? That's the bigger one. Oh, yeah. That was the bigger one. Trying to stay out of the way of both cameras is kind of tricky, but okay, that wasn't that would have been nice to know a little bit earlier. I think these I'm gonna take apart, get that thing free. So right now this is essentially junk at this point. But junk is still fun to play with. And more screw, I think. Anything else? Besides, I think there is some and I'm back, probably for the last time. I found one more interesting tidbit, and before I try to break it, take it apart, see what that means. I managed to separate. I can't get it back together. Oh, that's probably the reason. It's because it's now. No, that was how that was. So let's just... There we go. I have this off of it now. This off of it now. Now I have oh, there's another screw. Go figure. More screws. There is little bit gear heads in here. But I think that could be just... I really don't know how that worked now that I have it apart. Huh. Well, I know one thing. I've got one thing that could keep me distracted for hours. That's still working. I have a magnifying glass. Well, now you know how not to fix one of these things. And I'm gonna stop the video and see what I can do with this pile. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.